All right, guys, we've got a sexy 1995 Chevy two-door Tahoe. Look at this thing, 1500. Big wheels, custom all the way around. He's been working on it for a long time. He even painted it himself. And I think he did an awesome job. He kept practicing and then he painted it because they wanted like 10 grand and it was gonna stay with them for a year. He's like, I can paint it myself, which I love, man. People like that amazes me, you know, that they can do it themselves. Really clean, really nice looking Tahoe, two-door. Then Chevy, if you're listening, you need to bring back the two-door Chevy Tahoes. So he's got mid-length headers there and there. It's a 5.7 liter. He just put a new tranny in it. We fabbed the bolt-on kit for him to make it fit into his headers, as you guys can see there and there. Then it's got a aftermarket cat right there. Then we ran 3-inch pipe into a Flowmaster Super 50, part number 8530552. There'll be a link in the description for it, guys. 8530552. There will be a link in the description. And then we just dumped it because he's gonna change the lift kit on it. He's gonna make it higher, and then he's gonna bring it back, and we're gonna do a true dual system on it. But check it out, guys. Came out really nice, really clean. There it is, all the way. Very nice. Let me show you guys the back of it. Right there, Chevy Tahoe Z71. Look at that thing. It's a hoss. Beautiful stance, beautiful looking Chevy. And this is all the exhaust that was on it before. We took it all off. It was all broke and messed up. He brought it in with open headers and he had all this on it. We took it all off. He's gonna bring it back later on and we'll hook him up. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, you know what to do. Like, comment, and hit that subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. 1996 Chevy Tahoe, two-door SUV. What we got done on it, you just bought it from Kentucky. And in Kentucky, they cut everything off. See those pipes over there? So he wants it legal for Tennessee. So what did we do? There's the manifolds there and there. Then we put 2 brand new catalytic converters right there, high flows. Then we put a Y pipe right there. Then we put a Flowmaster Super 10 right there. Part number 842515. And the catalytic converters are 608 264s. We'll have a link on both of them in the description. And then you got a 2.5-inch tailpipe into a 4-inch angle cut tip right there. So it's got a whole brand new system basically all the way through right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Really nice, sexy Tahoe 1500. Really, they just stole the cat off that CRV, by the way. That's why it's loud. Anyways, look, it's really clean truck. He's been following us on TikTok for a long time. And he's like, I gotta get my truck done. I said, I got you, we'll hook you up. So we did. It's got aftermarket high flow converters on it, 2 of them. A whole assembly that has been replaced, as you guys can see. One there, one there. Then it comes true dual from the factory. And usually comes into single muffler, dual in, single out. So we cut them off and true dualed it straight pipe for him all the way back 2 1/4, as you guys can see there and right there. And then into some 3.5-inch black tips there and right there. Finish the look. Looks really clean, really nice. There's the muffler that was on it that comes single out and almost tripped. Dual in right there. So dual in, single out. There's the tailpipe. We cut all that off and replaced it. Looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and sub. Much better. Wow, that sounds good. It sounds good with that car. It's perfect. Be careful. I don't want you to trip. You approve? Yeah. That sounds really nice. Your sound decibels? Right at 98. Not bad. Yeah, 97, 98. Perfect. I like it. Nice stats to it, guys. What do you guys think? Not overly too high, just perfect. Let you guys hear on the outside. you guys hear on the inside. Again. Spewing out pure black smoke. That's how congested it was. Anyways, here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 101. What do you guys think? Super 10? He just bought it and brought it to us. And it sounds a lot better. Let you guys hear on that. I told you. Good? Yeah. He doesn't like it, but he loves it. Yes. That's what I wanted to hear. You wanted the exhaust fan, right? That's so much better. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. 115, guys. That's crazy. Perfect. Wow, that sounds so good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like the sound of that one. She sounds good. I'll let you guys hear on that. Got a really nice stance to it, guys. Another one in the books for exhaust addicts.